Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a collective haul. I've been shopping. I got a couple gifts. I got a gift from Chanel, stuff from The Gap, Dynamite, Abercrombie. I'm gonna start with Abercrombie because I just got one thing from there. Just got a pair of jeans. They are the 90s Slim Straight Ultra High Rise from the Curve Love range, and I got these in long. So if you struggle with finding jeans like I do, I'm 5'10", these are the perfect jeans. They're so long and they also make your butt look really good. I got two things from Dynamite. I got this smock dress with a drop waist. It has a V shape in the front. I got it in a size medium and it was $69.95. It's also double lined. It's pure white. So you're gonna get a lot of wear out of this throughout the summer to just, chuck it on and run your errands, picnics, days at the beach. This is going to be a perfect summer dress. Also from Dynamite, I got this contrasting top. This I got in a large because that's all they have left online. They got new sizes now. This was $24.99, and this is just great to pair with shorts throughout the summer and the spring, and it looks very chic. I love the contrasting detail with the white and the black. I paired this with linen shorts that I got from The Gap. In the video, I'm going to show you guys that next. I got these linen shorts from The Gap. These are in the size medium. I don't remember the price, but I'll put it on the screen for you. And these are going to be really good in the summer. They're light because they're linen. They're breathable. And then you could pair them with the tank that I just showed you guys, or like a tube top, perfect for the beach. Really love these. These are the white linen shorts that I also got from The Gap, but unfortunately I'm going to have to return them because they are see-through. These would have been perfect for the summer. Moving on to Chanel, I got a gift for Valentine's Day, and when he handed me the bag, I was like, did you get me a purse at these ridiculous Chanel prices? And he said no. And I was like, so what did you get me? It's still good though. I'll show you what he got me. Ooh, he got me a wallet. Isn't she pretty? Oh my god. I think you could also make this a wallet on chain. I want to use it as that because I'm tall and I feel like it's gonna look weird on my frame. It has gold hardware. It has the pocket in the back. And here's the interior. It's been a while since I've gotten a Chanel. So they no longer have the cards. I think they have like a chip. Oh yeah. There's a chip in here instead of the ID card. I just use cheap wallets. Like, it doesn't bother me, but it bothers him, and he's like, you need like a nice wallet. He hates seeing my cheap wallets. But thank you, babe. Sticking with the theme of Chanel, this is Chanel number 5, my favorite scent of all time. Call me an old lady. I even got backups. So this is more of my winter fragrance. And now for my summer fragrance, I got Coco Mademoiselle, and this is the Intense. Oh, it smells so good. It's beautiful. It's intense, so it's a bit stronger than the original Coco Mademoiselle. The top notes are orange, mandarin orange, bergamot, and orange blossom. The middle notes are Turkish rose, jasmine, mimosa. Base notes are patchouli, white musk, vanilla. It's fresh, it's youthful, it's summer, spring, it's juicy. So I got some shoes from Nike. They're tan with white soles, as you can see. And then it has this snake print. The snake print at the back. If you're a neutral girl like me, you're gonna get a lot of wear out of these because they're gonna go with all your outfits. And they're light, great for the spring and the summer, match with all your outfits. I got a Nike hat to go with the shoes. They kind of match. They're not a perfect match, but they can go. So that was my quick collective haul. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite item, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.